How to whisper to someone on Twitch. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can whisper to anyone on Twitch. So let's just jump right in. Open up your Twitch application first and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, just go to any chat that you want and open up any stream. Now from here, what you can do is tap anyone from the chat that you want to send message to. So for example, if I want to go ahead and tap on this person's name, here you'll find an option to whisper. So what happens is if you tap on this whisper button, if they have enabled whispers from strangers, you will be able to message them. So you can just go ahead and simply enter the message. So what it's saying here is you have blocked whispers from strangers, but once you have sent a whisper to this person, you will be able to reply for 48 hours. So click on OK. Now you can just send your message and then tap on send. Now the whisper has been sent successfully. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.